Hey everyone, it's Sal here again with another video. This is for owners of Amazon's Fire TV, the Fire TV box, Fire TV stick, stick 4K. We're going to install a couple apps that will help us download and install APKs, apps that are not found in Amazon's App Store. So there's two handy apps that we can use. One is called ES File Explorer, and the second one is called Downloader. Now the good thing about these two apps is that they are available from Amazon's App Store, if that's what it's called. And through these two apps, that'll help us get more apps loaded on that are not found in the in Amazon's App Store. So without further ado, let's begin. So you're going to scroll to the top and scroll to the search function of the menu. And the first one we'll download is ES space File Explorer, which we've got File Manager and File Explorer. Let's see what File Explorer gives us. So we have it right there. It's the first one, white background, blue icon, ES. I like this app here. We're going to click on it. Now I like this app here because it allows you to connect to cloud drives. This is the one thing that I really like. On top of managing the files in your Android device, it allows you to connect to cloud services such as Microsoft OneDrive, Google Drive, others like that you can upload your APKs, and then with the ES File Explorer, navigate into those accounts and pull your APKs to download and install on your Fire TV. Now, I've already downloaded it, so for me, it's going to say download, you own it. For you, it'll probably just say purchase this app. The app is free, first of all, but I should say like purchase this app. It's free, download. So you're going to want to get this one first. Okay, so if you got it, nice, quick installing. And we'll just wait in real time. Or maybe not. And then in one of my future videos, I'm going to show you how to use ES File Explorer to download APKs that you may have downloaded separately onto your computer, which is it's a neat feature if you're away from home and you happen to be on a computer where you find an APK you want to use. You can quickly download it, upload it to your cloud drive, and then use it later. So we have ES File Explorer installed, ready to launch, as it says in the bottom right corner. Now the second app we want to download from the Amazon store is called Downloader. Now it's already popped up for me under the heading customers also bought. So we can just click on this tile to download the app, or you can search for it like we did for ES File Explorer. Again, I've downloaded this before, so it's already under my name. It is a free download. Just click and let it do its thing. And you can even click on opening. And this is what it looks like. We've got update notes. Okay. I'm not going to go into using these two apps right now. I just want to show you how you can get them and what they're used for. So this is the Downloader app. Okay, you can type in a website, it'll navigate to the website, you can download your APK. Again, I'm not going to run through how to use it. I'm just showing you these two handy downloading apps to get third-party apps, APKs onto your Fire TV. And let's go into the ES File Explorer so I can show you the interface on that. And this has a lot more features than Downloader. This actually can tell you how much internal storage you have. You can navigate to the different file folders on your Android device. And there's also this cloud drive section, which is really great log in with Google Drive. You can log in with other cloud sources as well. Let me just get in there. And here are the supported cloud drives: SugarSync, Dropbox, Amazon S3, MediaFire. We got Baidu NetDisk, Yandex. There's also Box, as well as OneDrive and G Drive, which I've already mentioned. So in a future video, I'm going to show you how I use this and how handy it is to have on your Fire TV. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video, folks. If you've learned something new, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this or enjoyed any of my previous videos, please subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for more content. Thanks for watching, and ciao for now.